it's HaleyCreates, and today we are doing Self-Care September, and this first one is going to be how to reduce your anxiety and pretty much just like clear off your plate. So, I have missed you guys so much. I've been so busy and I've had so much stuff to do because of school. Who knew that junior year was just going to be jam-packed with homework? RIP. Anyways, I hope you guys have been having a good time with your school. Hopefully it's not too terrible. That's all I can say. Sorry guys. Hang in there. Anyways, this video will hopefully help you with how you're doing in school and reducing your anxiety, because a less anxious student is a better student. Or in your work or wherever you are. So if you guys want to learn how to reduce your anxiety, then keep on watching. Bye! Oh, by the way, I got a little sound set up, but I need to get like a smaller thing for my microphone, but hopefully the sound will be a lot better, so there's that. So the first thing is to face what's making you stressed out. And this is pretty much, this could be interpreted in so many different ways, but for me, this is just looking at everything that I have like piled up in the back of my mind, like I gotta do this. I just remembered I have to call my grandma. That's stressing me out right now. Anyways, basically for me, this is just getting everything that I've been thinking about and either putting it in my bullet journal or just kind of thinking about it and thinking like what I can do to solve everything. So I'll basically just get my bullet journal and I'll write down every assignment. I'll put my assignment, the date that it's due, and then I'll have a little thing for when it's done because it feels great to check them off the list. And I will set aside a certain time to do that. So I'll basically do that for everything that I have to do, whether I have to clean my room or edit a video or do homework. So I'll just set aside a certain time and do that, because I feel like when we just kind of like, I don't know, we just kind of want to like rush through what we have to do and do like a few things at once, and that just doesn't work out. So it's nice to just set aside time and know that you're going to get something done in that certain amount of time, and you can check that off your list, and that's one thing that you don't have to worry about. Because without a plan, I feel like I start to kind of like stress out, and I just kind of like watch Netflix and just think like it's just gonna go away, I'm not gonna do it. So once I kind of get it written down, then I can see, okay, I can just check that off my list, check it off, and check it off until everything's done. The second is to take aside time for yourself, whether it be in the morning right when you wake up, set your alarm a little bit earlier, or whether it be in the night and set a time a little bit earlier before you go to bed and take that time to yourself, just for yourself. And for that time, maybe get a coloring book or whatever you want to do. If you draw yourself or if you just want to watch like a little bit of Netflix, take aside time to do that for yourself and just focus on that, and hopefully that will help you kind of come to peace with yourself. It sounds really like grave. Just let yourself reflect on the day, how you felt and stuff like that while you're doodling, and it's going to really help you clear your mind before you go to bed or in the morning when you want to have a fresh start to your day. Number 3 is kind of separate from this one but kind of similar. It is to incorporate a book in your day, and that doesn't mean like set aside 30 minutes to read, kind of like SSR, whatever the heck it was called when I was little. Like, that sounds just kind of like homework to me. But basically just maybe like stick a book in your backpack that you like, and you can read it when you're waiting for the doctor, like if you're chilling somewhere waiting for your coffee, or just when you have a free minute in class when they're like, when everybody's like just talking and stuff, put on some earphones and read. Just find some time in your day while you're just like chilling to read, because I find myself kind of just like blankly looking at like Pinterest and stuff, sitting there like not having anything to do for like a lot of the time of the day, and I could be reading and kind of just going off to a different place, because that's how I feel when I read. Like, I kind of just get into like this whole different world when I'm reading a book. So that's kind of nice to just have that little like escape. Number 4 is to pack yourself some coffee or some tea for once you get to school or for work. One of my teachers actually has a coffee pot in her classroom, and she lets us brew 1 pot of coffee a day. So she's a G. And it's kind of refreshing, and it's just like a little like home away from home to me when I taste my coffee and stuff. Number 5 is to start budgeting and make a plan for how you're going to save money. For some people this might make them more stressed out, but I feel like it's kind of a part of that facing your problem, because money can be so stressful. So making a plan, and not like a plan that's like really hard to achieve, but like starting off slow and making baby steps, even if you have to give and take or whatever, you know. So one of the ways that I thought was like really helpful is to definitely coupon, of course. There's a lot of coupons that we don't know about. And the second was to bring your lunch, like, or your dinner. If you're gonna go out to an outdoor mall or something with your friends and like chill or something, whatever you guys do, if you're gonna go hang out and you would normally get like Chipotle or something like when you go out, then maybe just pack a little lunch like in a little Rubbermaid, or dinner in a little Rubbermaid, and just have it there. Like there's plenty of places to sit and stuff. Usually when you go like to a mall or something, there's like a big public seating area. Number 6 is to make your setting cozy and friendly. And by your setting, I mean like your room or your workspace. If you work in an office, then make it nice and make it yours if you can. And I like to just make my room like comfy and as comfy as I can. I try to make my bed every time I go to like do homework or something, or I try to clean off my desk whenever I do, because it's a lot nicer to like chill in a like organized area and do your homework and stuff. And I like to have all of my candles open so that it smells good. And if you want to find some cheap room decor, like all the fall stuff behind me, check out TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Burlington, and they have a lot of really good cheap room decor, especially for fall. And check out Michael's coupons, because they have really good coupons. Like sometimes you could get things for like 80% off if it's like 20% off clearance items and it's already like 60% off like at the end of the season. Number 7, the final one, is to get rid of all of the toxic things in your life. And this can be kind of hard, but basically if you have friends or anybody in your life that's kind of just like killing your vibe or like honestly is like the reason that you're like stressed out or that you're like down on yourself, then let it go, because nothing's gonna change if you keep on associating yourself with these types of people, because it's really unhealthy to be in an unhealthy relationship, whether it be with your best friend, a group of friends, even if it's your seat partner in class. I've had seat partners where it's like, girl, if you don't shut up. So talk to your teacher, maybe say, can I just like scoot in the back or whatever, like sit somewhere else because this person's killing my vibe. I see them looking at my test, that type of stuff. Then don't be afraid to make those changes in your life, because it's only you that can make them. Nobody else really sees that that person's annoying you or killing your vibe, so you kind of got to step up and tell them, get out. Now that I've got that over, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys got some helpful tips in this. This may seem kind of repetitive. I hope I wasn't repetitive. I haven't made a video in a long time. I'm sorry, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and hopefully I can get it up in a short amount of time, because I haven't posted in such a long time. I filmed a few videos and they just honestly were like terrible, and I had like no point, so I'm really trying. I'm kind of in a rut. And I'm gonna try to make more of this September self-care month videos. Maybe, I'm not gonna say my ideas, but you know, be ready. And I'll be making more fall videos and stuff. Hopefully I'll be doing my room tour. I just reorganized everything. And by the way, if you're wondering like why I was gone so much, I was also really sick for like a fat minute. I had to miss school and everything, so that's why I was gone. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Of course, follow me down on Instagram, Twitter, WEHEARTIT, Pinterest. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye!